245, 65, 17. Will they fit? Will they rub? Will they give us any issues at stock height? Join me today as we get these things installed. Before we get this video started, I have a big announcement that I want to share with you. As of late, I unlocked the ability for you as viewers and subscribers to give super thanks. Now, what is a super thanks? Well, basically, it's just a way for you to be able to say thank you to content creators like myself and help us as we fund different projects. As we move on into the next mod, I want to invite you into this thing, and it's super simple. You can purchase these super thanks. The more that you give, the more that we'll be able to grow together. With your guys' help, I would be able to accomplish these goals that much quicker. I just wanted to put it out there. If the content that I create is beneficial to you, this is a great way for you to give back. Let's go ahead and get into this video. What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Lubar's Garage. And today we are taking these tires to the local tire shop to get them installed. Hopefully we don't have any issues. A lot of people have been asking me, do these tires give you any issues at all? So today we're gonna find out together if these tires, brand new, give the stock height 2022 Outback any issues. So right here we got a brand new BFGoodrich all-terrain TAs. We had the Toyo tires open country before, and they were awesome tires too. These are kind of the staple of the off-road look. Without further ado, we're gonna load these bad boys up and head down to the local tire shop. It is the next day here. We are back from the tire shop, and as you can see, the new tires have been installed. When I was driving back, there wasn't any noise, there wasn't any rubbing, there wasn't any problems turning the wheel left or right, or turning any corners or any body rolls. The fitment is kind of tight. We're gonna take a closer look to see and make sure that there is no rubbing. I'm gonna go ahead and turn the car on. I'll bring you over to the tire. I'll turn it back and forth, and then we're gonna check the fitment on the back as well. Here is the back tire. This is, again, OEM stock ride height. We are pretty close there. It's about 1 finger between the wheel well and the tire. I don't see any signs of rubbing. So that's good. And this is the other side. You got about 2 fingers there. Pretty much is almost flush with the body. That is the back tire. There's a better shot there for you. On this side, it's pretty close. Again, when I was driving yesterday, I didn't hear any rubbing. We're good on that side. Let's go ahead and turn the car on. I'll turn the wheel back and forth, and we'll see if we hear anything. Well, there you have it. The results are in. Turned the wheel back and forth. We saw just a little bit of clearance, not quite rubbing on the wheel well. If you ever wondered if these tires would fit your Outback, your 2020 through 2024 at this point, now you know. Thanks guys for watching. I hope you found this informational. And if you did enjoy this video, you can give back by giving a super thanks. Or if you haven't subscribed yet to the channel, please do so. And that would help me continue to make content for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you then, or we'll see you another time.